Alright y'all, so I'm back and I have this stuff, you know what I'm saying? Focus. Okay. So you're gonna need this right here. You know what I'm saying? No brand new though. No, you're just gonna need some regular rubber bands, you know what I'm saying? Just gonna need some regular rubber bands. And that's all you need. That's all you need. This is all you need right now. I'm telling you, this is all you need to grow your junk. I'm telling you, my hair was never this long. And my hair looks so long on this video, like, my hair was never this long. You know what I'm saying? Like, look. You can look at my old videos. My hair was never this long until I started using this method. No, I guarantee if you try this method for like at least a week, if you try this method for at least a whole week, even on that Saturday and Sunday, your hair will be so clean. I'm just telling you from experience, you know what I'm saying? So, what you gonna do is basically, you should already know what I'm doing. So what you gonna do is, you know what I'm saying, get some rubber bands. You know what I'm saying? You probably already know what I'm doing. I'm not speeding this up. I want y'all to know what I'm doing. So get a rubber band, stretch it out. You know what I'm saying? Get that elastic on. You know what I'm saying? No matter what color, cause they ain't gonna see. You know what I'm saying? You go split your hair. I would use a comb with this so it could look clean, but I'm about to go to sleep. It's dark. And you just go get some hair, get a good section, and you just go twist your hair. Make sure you twist it like that so it stretches your hair out. Because the whole thing about this method is you're supposed to stretch your hair out to get it to grow. You know what I'm saying? So you go stretch your hair out and twist. Pull your hair and twist. Put it on the twist the rubber band. Get that double tight action. Pause. And you got one. You got one of these. You know what I'm saying? You got one of these. Then I'm gonna get 2 more rubber bands. Oh yeah, it depends on what type of rubber bands you're using. If you're using the small ones like me, then I recommend you use 2 because these junks might pop. I'm not even gonna lie, these junks might pop. I wore these to the mall and it's actually like kind of clean because I wore these and people are saying like, can your hair look clean and stuff like that. So, hey. Hold up, I'm gonna just put them in first because I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just telling y'all, bro. If y'all try this method, y'all gonna be straight, bro. Y'all gonna be straight. I'm telling you. I got the first 2 in. They kind of lousy at the moment, but I'm doing this for y'all right quick. You know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? Just get 2 more. You know what I'm saying? Let me get to that later. Look. Get 2 more. I don't know if I'm gonna speed any of this up. I'm at 5 minutes. We need more minutes. Go get the hair and twist. I'm telling you, that's all you need to do. If you don't twist it, then you might as well just take the whole rubber band out your head. You know what I'm saying? If you do not twist it, you might as well just take the whole rubber band out. It doesn't matter what color, because you can't even see the color of the rubber band now. And I got 2 purple ones in my head. Purple, dude. So just get the rubber band. I'm not cutting none of this out either, bro. I want y'all to know like what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Get 2 more. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all this last part what I do in the back. Pause. Get another one. And just, I'm not cutting none of this out because I don't want y'all thinking I'm being fake. I'm actually using some product. I'm not using no product for this, bro. I'm not using no product. So I'm not cutting it to show you that I'm using product or something. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to know that like, I'm serious about this, bro. And if you use this method, you will be the dankest person in your school. I'm helping you out, bro. And how about you help me out by subscribing? You know what I'm saying? Man, I can't find my hair. There's a camera right here. Oh, okay. I got it. Bro, what is happening with my head right now? And you just wanna get the 2 back here. I mean, not the 2. Usually what I do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I'm not gonna do that because the back barely even stretching. So what I did was I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what I'm saying? So what you wanna do is get the, cause I feel like in the back, you stretch it out. Paw in the back, you know what I'm saying? Since it's stretching the most, your back, it's gonna be stretching. It's gonna be stretching. Pause. I don't know why I keep saying stretching. Dude. Alright y'all, but it's so bad. I'm back and I just figured out that like I missed some hair that's supposed to go into these 2. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the rubber band out right quick and just take the rubber band out and just go back, grab some more hair, and just put it back in. You know what I'm saying? It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. You know what I'm saying? It's not rocket science. Just do it. You know? There we go. There we go. Take this one out. Dang, where is that? Wow. You just want to take this one out and wait. Okay, twist it. You know what I'm saying? Always do the twist. If you don't do the twist, you might as well just take the whole rubber band out your head. Like I said, if you don't do the twist, just give up at that point. Make sure you like once you get it on there, you just stretch it out. You know what I'm saying? Pause. I don't know why I keep pausing everything. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, fresh lineup. Ah, okay. So, like I was saying in the back, what you do is you already heard me talk about it, so I'm not gonna keep talking about it. You know. So what you wanna do is get it like that, get it like that, and just wrap your rubber band around, and it look kind of fire because you got a ponytail basically. I mean, but this part is optional, and the back is optional. You could have just did what I used to do, is just got it. I got it. You could have just did what I did. I used to do was 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this time I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what I'm saying? I have this one little ponytail right here. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully that look clean on video. But that's basically it, bro. And I'm gonna check with y'all in the morning to show you guys how it ends up looking. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully this don't look clean. I'm finna go to bed. Hopefully it doesn't come out when I go to, as I'm sleeping. If it comes out while you're sleeping, that means you didn't do it right. You know what I'm saying? If it goes out when you're sleeping, you didn't do it right. So I'm gonna check with y'all in the morning. I'm gonna take them out on camera, and we just go see how it looks when I take them out. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the morning. Should I like do the snap thing while I like snap and I'm back, or like should I do the jumping thing? Cause I might forget. So maybe I should just turn off the camera and then come back. Yeah, I'm just turning the camera off. See y'all later.
12 seconds later.
Alright y'all, so it's currently the next day. And I'm gonna take these things, finally gonna take these things out my head, you know what I'm saying? Go in the back. And yeah. I'm not gonna lie. Last night some of them did come out, so I had to redo them, like this right here. That came out. I was asleep, so I had to put another back in. That will happen. So yeah, just know some of these things will pop out. You might have to keep putting them back in. Yeah. Put it up here. Just rough it up. And just do your regular hair routine when you wake up, you know what I'm saying? Take them out, do your regular hair routine. And you should be straight after that. You should be straight. Look. You really should be straight after that. You wake up feeling like a boss because your hair dead long after that. You know what I'm saying? I guarantee this junk works, bro. Like, I'm not selling no product or nothing. This just actually works. So I guarantee if you try it, it might work. You know what I'm saying? If it works, tell me what's up. If it works, you can't find the rubber bands, find a way. You know what I'm saying? I asked my friend for some rubber bands, you know. And he gave me a box of rubber bands. Shout out to him again. Dang. There it is. So I gotta get the rest one on. What's up? Who's that?
Matrix.
Hey. Alright, y'all, I think that's it for this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe, or whatever. And I think that's pretty much it. You guys need more hair tips and stuff like that on how I get my hair like this, you know what I'm saying? I might try to double upload today because I know some of y'all might not like hair videos, so I might try a double upload today. Maybe if I figure something out, because I know like everybody don't like hair videos. So yeah, hopefully I figure something out. If you have an idea for me to do, comment below. And even if you don't like hair videos, thank you for watching this because I need some watch time. Alright. I didn't end this video yet. Alright, y'all. Peace. Wait, don't forget, subscribe if you're new. I'm trying to hit 100K by the end of the year. I don't care no more, bro. 100K by the end of the year. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get 5K by February. You know what I'm saying? So, like, let's get 100K, 5K, you know what I'm saying? So, hold up. Focus. Bro, that's crazy. Hold up. There we go. Alright, y'all, like I said, subscribe. I'm trying to hit 5K sooner as possible, bro. So subscribe right now. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm done. I keep turning the camera on and just talking, and I don't know what I'm doing, but subscribe. Peace. I need a thumbnail. Hold up.